I'm Anil Kumar, and this is a practice sheet for my students. As I said, sometimes it helps to simplify and then add fractions, and we are going to practice this strategy using these three examples. Let us add 1 over 3 with 4 over 6, 4 over 8 with 5 over 15, and 12 over 15 with 18 over 24. You can pause your video, copy the question, answer, and then look into my suggestion. So the first step here is to find equivalent fraction, right? So we'll simplify to find equivalent fraction. 4 and 6 have 2 in common. So we can divide both by 2. If I divide both by 2, we get 2 times 2 as 4, 2 times 3 as 6. So I can write down the first addition of fraction as equivalent fraction 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Now we already have common denominator, so we can add the numerator 1 plus 2, right? So I'm adding 1 and 2 in the numerator with the common denominator 3. That gives me 3 over 3. As you know, 3 over 3 is 1. So we get 1 as our answer for the first one. Now the second one here is 4 over 8 plus 5 over 15. Let us simplify. We can divide both by 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, right? 4 over 8 is half. 5 over 15 is 1/3, dividing by 5, 1 and 3, right? So we could write this as an equivalent fraction, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Now how do you get the common denominator? Both are prime numbers. So multiply them, it is 6. So the common denominator could be 6 for us, correct? How can I make 2 as 6? Multiplying by 3. So we get 3 here, and this one cross multiply by 2. Now we have a common denominator of 6. Add the numerators. 5 over 6 is our answer. Correct? Let's do the last one here. Simplify. 12 over 15. Can you divide both by some number? 3. Yeah. So 3 times 4 and 3 times 5. How about this one? Let us first divide by 3. So 3 times 6 is 18 and 3 times 8 is 24. Well, we can further divide them by 2. So 2 times 3 and 2 times 4. So now we can write them as equivalent fractions. 4 over 5 plus 3 over 4. This is similar to that case. Denominators are prime numbers, nothing common, so we'll multiply. So the common denominator is 5 times 4, which is 20, and the numerator is 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 5 times 3, which is 15. So that is what we call cross multiply. So you cross multiply, do you see that? And all these things, and get your fraction. 16 plus 15 is 31, so we get this as 31 over 20. Now 31 over 20 is improper fraction. So what we need to do here is write them as mixed numbers. So let's divide and get the mixed numbers. Dividing by 20, 31 one time, we'll get 11. So that gives us mixed number 1 whole, remainder is 11 divided by 20. So that is the answer. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.